how to add contacts in a contact list in Outlook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily add a particular contact into your contact list. So in order to start, as you can see, I am currently in my Outlook application. And once you have opened up your Outlook application, the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this People tab over the left hand side. So click onto this People tab and you can see this following interface. Then from here, if you have already created a contact list, you will be redirected to this all contact lists where all of the contact lists will appear. If you don't have a particular contact list as of now, you can simply create it by clicking onto this drop down arrow and from here choosing a new contact list. But if you already have a contact list and you want to add someone into that, then you will see this following interface. Now from here you need to choose that particular contact list for which you want to add a particular person. So for example, let's say I want to add people in this first contact list that goes by the name list one. So I will select it and over to this particular section I have this edit button. So click onto this edit button and from here you can see that this option that says add email addresses. So in a case you want to add more email addresses to this list, you can simply type in their name or address. So for example, let's say I have typed in this particular address like this, and then you can see just as I have clicked it, the address or the person has been successfully added into this particular contact list. So you can do so for other addresses as well and then click onto the save button, and now you can see that instead of one it contains two email addresses as of now. So that's how easily you can add contacts into your contact list in Outlook. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.